Sorry to be the one to tell you, but if you have seasonal allergies, they're about to get worse. Hang on though, there is an explanation and a few ways to take the edge off. If you have seasonal allergies, you know pollen is enemy number one. Right now, pollen counts across North America are coming in way higher than normal. From Vancouver to Atlanta, the people out there counting pollen grains on trees and grasses, they're saying they've never seen levels like this. For millions of sufferers, this means itchy eyes, nonstop sneezing, but for others, it can lead to serious health issues, especially those with asthma.
We've seen an increased number of trips to the ER of medication dispensed. We have numbers in previous years showing that increased episodes of air pollution, and in other countries, increased counts of pollen, like Australia when they have thunderstorms, really trigger healthcare emergencies.
And get this, people who've never had allergies before, some of them are suddenly developing symptoms for the first time. That's me. So what's going on here? It turns out it's not just the heat. The other big player, carbon dioxide. Plants need CO2 to photosynthesize, so they thrive when there's more, producing more pollen and even stronger allergens. And the big reason for more heat and more CO2, you guessed it, climate change.
Climate change is a planetary event, and so the whole human species as a whole, we are reacting to this. The increasing warmer temperatures. So the plants are producing more pollen grains. We have more air pollution that is also irritating and increasing the activities in our respiratory system and our immune system. So these two, air pollution and pollen grains, interact and create havoc.
Scientists around the world have tested what happens to pollen producers when they're offered up more CO2. Time and time again, the results show significant increases in pollen production. Then there's this scary phenomenon we should talk about, thunderstorm asthma. Yep, that's a thing. During storms, pollen grains get whipped into teeny tiny particles, making it easier for them to get deep into your lungs. It's rare but dangerous and happening more often with extreme weather on the rise. So what can we actually do? Big picture, this is yet another reason to slash greenhouse gas emissions right away. We can also be smarter about how we green our cities up, choosing native, low allergen species. And some countries like Finland are starting to model and forecast in a more detailed and valuable way, like the weather. Other countries will likely follow suit. On a personal level, this might be a good year to take your allergies seriously.
I would suggest people to be on the lookout for any ways of minimizing our exposure to pollen, be it wearing face masks, using air purifiers, anything like that. I think we should keep an eye on our symptoms. We all know our bodies.